We're in Photoshop and I'm going to show you how to optimize an image in Photoshop. I have Bashful's image opened in Photoshop. To open an image in Photoshop, you just do File and Open and find it wherever you have it stored on your desktop and then bring it here so that you can see it. Once you see the actual image, you can actually tell how large the image is by looking at the bottom left-hand corner here. It says it's showing the image at 61% of its full size, and the doc size or the document size is 9.04 megs. So it's a fairly large image. So this is a really big image. So we want to optimize it and make it smaller for the web. And I have a plan that's out there that says that my images that go into post should be 300 pixels wide. And this is where I've been talking about the plans we need to have in store. So when you are creating images or you need to optimize images, you need to size them to the appropriate size that you're going to be using on your website. So what you're going to do is come up to the application toolbar, look for the tab or the word that says image, and it's a tab that drops down other options. The other options that we're going to use is the image size, and we're going to actually view the image size here. It's going to be 1816 pixels by 1740 pixels. This is what makes it so big. This is the original size. There is this little chain to lock and make a proportional change between the height and the width, and I usually like to do that just so that I size it correctly. So I'm going to size it to 300. So the width is all I'm worried about. The height's not what I'm worried about, but I want it to be proportional when I make the change. I'm going to say OK. When I make the change, the document size changes to 252.2 kilobytes, which is very small compared to what we had. I'm going to set this up to 100% because now it's still at 61%. If I put it to 100%, that image looks really sharp and clear. And this is going to look really nice on my website. It's going to look nice on devices. It's very important to have a very nice optimized image that's going to look good on all the devices that you're going to use it to. So I'm going to save this file, do File, Save As, and I'm going to save it with a 300 behind the name, so Bashful 300, so I know that I can find this later. And I'm going to do Save. And now I have the optimized JPEG that now I can take to WordPress Pages or Post and place it in and know that it is the correct size that I want to be using. And I'm not wasting space on my server or having it resize the image to go into the 300 pixels that we want it to go into. Thank you very much.